5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, level up.
Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Also, if you are new, welcome. Welcome home, welcome home, welcome home, welcome. Anywho, today I'm filming a tutorial on how to achieve your flaky faux bun, aka space bun look, aka Ciara'S Met Gala look. So if you are interested, please stay tuned, okay? Hey guys, so this is a quick backstory to this video. I was actually inspired by Ciara'S Met Gala look. She actually rocked this space bun to the Met Gala. Okay, so this is the same thing. I basically repeated the same thing from my previous video. Okay, so if you look closely, I did exactly what I did in my previous video. I sectioned my hair into 4 different parts. Okay, so prior to that, my hair was washed, and then I applied shea butter, and then I applied the eco styling gel. Okay, so basically the styling gel will hold my hair down. Okay, I held everything with a scrunchie. Okay, so after dividing my hair into 2 parts, I held both sides with a scrunchie. Okay, so that's what I'm basically doing. So here goes. So after that, I hold it with a scrunchie, and then I go ahead and do my edges. I mean, you can't achieve this hairstyle without your edges, because we all saw that CC laid her edges. So that's what I'm going to do, lay my edges. Okay, so after that, I scarfed my hair, and then I went off camera to do my makeup. Okay, so after that, I came back with the outfit, in the outfit that she wore, and then I installed the AFRO PUFF.